video. In today's video we're going to do a detailed tour of our central air system in the fish room, and we're going to show you also how to install it. So firstly, the most important part is your air pump. So we run a Serbo 60, which is 70 liters per minute. That equals about 4,200 liters per hour, which is a very good rate if you run multiple tanks. So firstly, we're going to use the screw-in adapters. So this is where your airline tubing gets connected. Then, if we just take a close-up, you can see there's some barbs. Okay, use a 4mm drill bit, obviously because your airline tubing is 4mm. And then you also get this cool looking spanner, which you can use. So intentionally you should use the sharp point, but I seem to find that way too difficult to use. And then as you can see, the whole adapter just fits in there. And you turn it once or twice, just till it takes, otherwise it might snap off. So now we're quickly going to take you through a brief installing and just show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so basically after you turn them in with your hand or tighten them with your hand, you take your spanner and you turn it about 3 to 4 times, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, but you'll feel once it starts to grip. Basically when you think you need to turn it a little bit more, don't do it, otherwise it's going to snap. So that's basically the pros and cons behind installing it. Here's the crucial part. So just for an example, you push it into the hole and you start turning it until you can't turn it anymore, and then you use your spanner, and that's about it. Obviously after you installed your irrigation screw-in adapters, you can cut your airline tubing and ready to go. Okay, so be careful when you add the airline tubing. It is quite flimsy, but you just want to push it on and using up and downward movements slightly force it onto your screw-in adapter. And then airline is installed. Take your sponge filter. The Serbo sponge filters are quite popular. You get them out of the box. Be careful, there is loose parts. So then you take your airline tubing, you thread it through this. So let's take a piece here. After that's through there, you connect your weight to the bottom of the sponge filter, and then you only add your airline tubing, which is 4mm, onto your sponge filter, which is 4mm. Same thing. Then you can connect all of the parts and add it into your tank. Then you've got a fully functioning sponge filter. So you'll find that your sponge filter is still dry and it floats on top of the surface of the water in the beginning. So what we do in the shop, which is a quick and easy way, we just squeeze it a bit, which forces the air out of the sponge, and that obviously the opposite sucks in all the water. And after you squeezed it quite a bit of times, you leave it and it will sink down to the bottom. When you add your air pump, then we'll start filtering your water. One. So as you guys can see, we got way too much flow going on here, and we want to control it. So by using a control valve, which you can purchase at River Pets, we're going to add this into the airline by using scissors. So you take your length, which is about 2 fingers, you cut it, you take your control valve, slowly but surely get it onto there. The same there, and then you just adjust it. Ta-da! Okay, so that was our detailed video about our central air system and how to install a sponge filter, a control valve and airline tubing. So let us know what you thought about the video. We've already been getting some positive feedback about the fish room, and all of the products used in this fish room would be in the bio below, so you can check it out on our website. And please don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.